Hi, I'm Beattie. This is my workshop, Pure JavaScript Web Components. So, since the web was invented, developers have been asking, how can I create my own HTML tags? Well, now you can. That's what web components are. And they're awesome. It's the component model that I've wanted since I started building web applications over 20 years ago. So, by pure JavaScript, I mean code that doesn't require third-party libraries or frameworks. Your code interacts with the browser directly via this rich set of native browser APIs. You can run web components alongside frameworks like React or Angular, or you can deploy them standalone. It's an incredibly flexible model for creating and deploying reusable code. Loads of things. JavaScript modules, templating, browser APIs, minification, events, interactions, unit testing, everything you need to know. It's a pretty packed schedule, but we'll get through it. You'll need to know a bit of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but not much. There's stuff here that even experienced web developers maybe haven't seen before. So we take it step by step. We start with Hello World. By the end of it, you'll be building a little puzzle game that deploys as a web component. It's a live online workshop. You'll need a mic, a webcam, Zoom, and your favorite code editor. VS Code, Sublime, WebStorm, whatever works for you. Check out the links at the end of the video. If you have any questions or you're interested in a private workshop for your team, get in touch. It'd be great to hear from you. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you on the internet.